Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share two Boho Dollar Tree DIYs that I made. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for our first project, you're going to want to pick any frame from Dollar Tree. I liked this one, and then you're also going to want to grab some of their Dollar Tree yarn, any color that you like, and then one of their Pom Pom makers. My Pom Pom maker isn't from Dollar Tree. I got this one a really long time ago on Amazon, and so I didn't see the point in buying a new one. But yeah, Dollar Tree does have them. Anyways, just grab your yarn and start making your pom-poms. Right here, I had little strands that were longer, so I just trimmed them off, and then there we go. We have our first pom-pom. So make enough pom-poms to where you can cover the perimeter of your picture frame. Now that my pom-poms are ready, I can start gluing them on, and so first I'm going to make sure to take the glass out of the frame and the back just to make everything easier. And then now I'm going to hot glue them on. And then there we go, we have our little boho pom-pom picture frame. Okay, so for our second DIY, we're going to be making a floral wreath. I've seen that making these with dried flowers is really popular right now, so I wanted to do this with Dollar Tree items. And so you're going to want to grab some of their bamboo rings. If they don't have these in right now at your Dollar Tree, you could also use one of their wreath rings. Anyways, you're also going to want to grab some of their florals. I liked this bundle, and then some of their jute cord. Okay, so I'm going to use the big bamboo ring to make this, and so I'm going to take my hot glue gun and add a little dot and then glue down my strand of jute cord, and then I'm just going to start wrapping it around the ring. I think this looks pretty good right here, so I'm going to cut the cord and then hot glue that end piece down. Now I'm going to take my florals and I'm going to trim them down to the size that I want them to be. And I liked this bundle because it gave me a floral option and then like two different types of leaves. And so I'm just going to arrange them how I want them to go. You could do whatever you think is best for your arrangement. And then I'm going to stick them in through the jute to keep them in place, and if you're having issues with them not staying, you could always add a little bit of hot glue to keep them in. So I think this looks good, and I think this is such a cute little decoration for like spring or summer, and you can always like change out the little flowers if you want. I'm going to take some more jute cord and we're going to make the tie for the top. Cut out whatever length you'd like and then tie it together, and then just add it to the top of your wreath using the lark's head knot, and we're done. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!